Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to our journey into the vibrant world of beadwork. Today we will explore the intricate art that weaves together culture, history and creativity from around the globe. From the symbolic patterns of Native American beadwork to the colorful expressions of African and South Asian traditions. Beadwork is a universal language of beauty and heritage. Join us as we dive into the techniques, materials, and cultural significance that make beadwork a timeless craft. Cherished by many, whether you are a seasoned artist or a curious beginner. This video will inspire and enlighten you about the rich tapestry of stories told through beads. Beadwork holds significant cultural importance in many societies around the world. Here are few examples highlighting its role and meaning in various cultures. Number 1 are Native American cultures. It means symbolism and storytelling. Beadwork is a vital part of Native American heritage, used to convey stories, traditions, and spiritual beliefs. Patterns and colors often have symbolic meanings, regalia, and ceremonial items. Beadwork is commonly seen in traditional clothing, moccasins bags, and ceremonial items. It is a way to honor ancestors and preserve cultural heritage, social status, and identity. Intricate beadwork can indicate the wearer's social status, clan, or tribal identity. African cultures. Zulu beadwork. In Zulu culture, beadwork is used to convey messages. Colors and patterns can indicate the wearer's marital status, age, gender, and social position. Maasai beadwork. The Maasai people of Kenya and Tanzania use beadwork in their jewelry and adornments to signify age, marital status, and social standing. Each color used has a specific meaning, such as red for bravery and white for purity. Cultural expression. Beadwork is a key of elements in festivals, rituals, and daily attire, symbolizing cultural identity and heritage. South Asian cultures. Indian beadwork. In India, beadwork is used in traditional clothing such as saris, lehengas, and dupattas. It is often combined with embroidery to enhance the beauty of garments and worn during weddings and festivals. Regional variations. Different regions in India have distinct beadwork styles. For example, the Banjara type is known for vibrant and intricate beadwork patterns. Same with the Kalash and rural areas of any part of South Asian countries. Middle Eastern cultures, jewelry and adornments. In many Middle Eastern cultures, beadwork is used in jewelry, often combined with precious metals and stones to create intricate design. Religious and ceremonial use. Beadwork can be found in items used in religious ceremonies and traditional celebrations. European cultures, historical context. Beadwork has been a part of European fashion and art for centuries, used in clothing, accessories, and tapestries. Folk art. In Eastern Europe, particularly in countries like Hungary and the Czech Republic, beadwork is a part of traditional folk costumes and is used in festivals and celebrations. Indigenous cultures of Australia and the Pacific. Australian Aboriginal beadwork. Beadwork is less common compared to other art forms like painting, but some Aboriginal groups incorporate bead in ceremonial items and jewelry. Pacific Islanders beadwork. In some Pacific Island cultures, beads are used in traditional dress and ceremonial objects, often made from natural materials like shells and seeds. Beadwork in these cultures is not just decorative, it is a form of communication, a way to preserve history and traditions, and an expression of cultural identity and artistic creativity. I hope you have liked my channel, so kindly like, subscribe and share it. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.